Descript is not just an editor. It's AI powered magic for content creators. If you make YouTube videos, podcasts, or even Zoom tutorials, this tool will flip your workflow episode upside down. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Descript actually works, how to edit your videos using only texts, and the insane auto transcription of this. Why this tool replacing 3 to 4 apps in my workflow. Stick around till the end, especially if you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or a podcaster, because I'll show you how to set up your first project in less than 60 seconds. So, first things first, how this script works. Here's the core idea of this script. It takes your video or audio, transcribes it accurately into text using AI, and helps you edit your media by editing the texts. Simply, you don't want a word, just delete it, and it's will delete it from your video. As simple as that. This script cuts the video, audio for it. It's like Google Docs, not Final Cut, and had a genius bid. Just kidding. Bonus, you can remove filler words like with one click. With this remove filler words speakers, simply drag and drop their videos to the website, and it will transcribe this automatically. Just wait a little bit. It's uploading, and then it will just start the transcribing. The drag and drop, and voila! You're not scrubbing timelines anymore. You're editing like you're editing an email. Want to cut out a paragraph? Just select it, and voila. Want to add the just simply drag and drop on the section, and voila. Even you can edit it, although it's not very big level edit, but you can, yeah, it's simply just like the borders and then that opacity. Again, it's a little bit of audio designing, visual effects. It has chroma key, as you can see, it's gone zoom pixelating there a little bit. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, it does. And yes, timeline mode still exists if you're traditional like that. But honestly, after this, you will not go back. Now, it has a lot of stock footages, AI captions. Point number three is voice cloning and voice care. Point number three, which is voice cloning. And this one's white. This script can clone your voice. It's called overdub. So you record a script and forgot a word or sentence. You don't have to re-record. Just type it in. For here, you will have to select the sticker and then select this one. And also they have the, okay, I'll just skip this one here. All you have to do is to just write whatever you want to make. It's scarily accurate. And for creators who value speed and consistency, this saves hours. Of course, it only works with your voice and you need to train it first. But it's a total game changer for large players fix it. So, must better list. Should you use it? YouTubers who want to pump out content faster with clean editing. Podcasters who want auto transcripts, filler word removal, and multi-track edits. Even course creators and freelancers who want to edit professionally without timeline headaches. Teams who want cloud-based collaborative editing. Yes, you can comment and share projects like Google Doc. And if you're posting on TikTok, Reels, or even Shorts, this script also help with auto captions. So look, I have been editing videos for a couple of years, from Sony Vegas to Premiere Pro to Final Cut. I never thought I'd say this, but this script actually made editing fun again. You're not wasting time scrubbing timelines or managing 5 different apps. You're editing smarter, faster, and with tools that make sense in 2025. If you're a content creator, you owe it to yourself to try this. There's a free version to go play with even just once. I'll bet you will be hooked. And if this helped, hit that like button, no fluff, no gimmicks, just tools that saves you time. I'm dropping more creator tools like this every week. So if you want to level up your workflow, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you're replacing with Descript. I'm genuinely curious. If